So this is kind of a typical question about statins. Right, it's worth remembering that statins are used to go and control cholesterol. So it goes LDL, right, which is a type of cholesterol, is found in the blood. People with a high concentration, so point is there, it's talking about a high concentration of LDL in the blood, may be treated with drugs called statins. So the graph below goes and shows the effects of different treatments over an 8-year period. So the arrows show when the treatments were started. So we can see that they started A there, they started treatment B there, they used A plus B there, A plus C there, and they used D there. Right, so everything that we go and we talk about in this question needs to relate back to that graph. So compare, so because it's talking about comparing, you'll need to talk about all of those different treatments that are being used. Right? So compare the effectiveness of these 5 treatments in reducing the risk of heart disease in these people. Right? So remember, this axis here talks about the concentration of LDL in the blood, and the more LDL you have, the higher your chance of getting coronary heart disease. So the first thing that we could talk about is A and B is the most effective treatment because it goes and it causes the biggest drop. Right, so you can see that there. You could go and talk about D is possibly the most effective treatment because it goes down lower than A and C, but we don't know how much more that would end up going down. If you go and you look at A and B kind of alone, they don't really do a great deal, but they are vaguely effective. So B is more effective or less effective than A because it's still going up. Right, so you can see it goes up there. So B is making no difference. And A and C, because it goes up again, so A and C is not effective whatsoever. Right, so 4 key things you need to talk about. Remember, you need to talk about all the different treatments.